I'm James Hayes. I ride for AlansBMX Shop and Volume Bikes UK and Demolition UK through Ice and Distribution. Just got sent through this new Voyager frame. I've gone for this one because the last one I had was the Warhorse in a 20.8. Lovely frame, had it over a year, going strong still, but fancied going back to a shorter top tube and back end, so 20.5 frame with a 12.75 back end, 75.25 head tube, so it's midway between the new 75.5 and the conventional 75, so you're still good for your nose manies and nice and twitchy without being over the top. I run the 165 cranks, so you get extra clearance to your peg, to your heel, obviously because with the shorter back end. That runs to a chromoly Demolition sprocket spline drive. This is still going from my old bike, no need to replace it, going absolutely solid. The pegs, you get 2 packs of plastic peg sleeves when you buy the Warhorse pegs, 4.5 inch. Still on my first plastic sleeve after a year of use, so they're pretty indestructible. Just been sent this new volume top load stem. It's a 50mm reach. I think it's a 30mm stack. Feels absolutely lovely. I've only had a quick roll around, but it feels really nice. I'm looking forward to getting a bit more use out of it. Yeah, I run Paradise seat and volume seat post. Paradise bars, that's the Tyler Fenengo range. Brock Rainford Zanker forks, although I will be moving to the 26mm offset Royal forks again, shorten up my wheelbase a bit and get the front end a bit steeper for the nose mani lines. Yeah, that's my bike pretty much. It's nice, buy some volume parts, you won't regret it. Right, I'd like to do a shout out to Alans, obviously, for hooking me up from the beginning, for Volume Bikes and Demolition themselves, for sending me out the parts. Yeah, cheers, thanks guys.